guys, welcome back to KC Fam. You heard me. It's your boy Drake on this. You heard me. So we have a special guest today, K50.
KG
You heard me. Go subscribe to KG Raw. You heard me. And so I want to make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe on here for more videos back to back 2021. So today, basically, the video is on we is balling seafood. Seafood. So far we done the small sausages and crawfish.
More crawfish
and potato. So we got more in the pot.
More potatoes.
We got it's tough. You hear me? It's time for the small sausages to come out. Come on, Kate, cook it up, Kate. Cook it up. Yeah, Kate. Yeah, y'all know what this is. So guys, let's go take it to Christian. Where is? Ooh, this is scary, y'all. So here she go, y'all.
What is you doing?
We got one this thing.
What is you doing?
So we got Lacarni in here. You hear me? So that's probably my partner. So we back in here. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Look at her, y'all. Nope. Good for you. But yeah, so y'all stay tuned to the video and see y'all later. Press the button. So guys, we are back. So we showed y'all basically what we cooked already and what they got in the pot. So next we got to cook is the jumbo shrimp. What?
You edited the video, right?
Oh, you. What's wrong with you? So,
We got it cooked down.
yeah.
Crawfish cooked down.
I'm about to teach one because these things left busting.
What's this? Oh, you gonna cook that?
It tastes like water, but it's spicy.
Your lips gonna be burning.
It's spicy.
Lips gonna be burning.
No. What?
Like once you eat
The
this,
small size is spicy.
if you eat one, it's not gonna be spicy. But if you eat more than one, your lips gonna start.
So, talk to the camera.
We have these jumbo straps, like some of y'all. We gonna keep that to ourselves, but yes, these goes in the pot. Let's.
Well, you got to boil it too. Why you have the camera over here when you over here cooking?
Buddy, come on.
So, guys, everybody know we in here cooking, and she is just in here just to eat. Show them KJ. Look, KJ. Yeah, look at my baby.
Look at my lips.
Y'all go.
We the pregnant twins, the triplets.
Alright, buddy, it's time to take these out.
So it's time to take them out. So, y'all see K58 taking out the crawfish.
If they all the way, like, if the crawfish is out and not shelled, like,
You hear me? You gotta make sure your stuff seasoned right. Cause y'all know some of these black people these days don't know how to season no crawfish or they seafood. You heard me? The grandmas make the best seafood ever. I'm gonna let y'all know. Niggas say not outgrown. But yeah. I'll get you to taste the small sausage.
Stop. I could take this for you.
I lied to y'all. I lied. I lied to them. Because I said they told me to take a small sausage.
No, they
Really, nigga?
Tupac, I told you about it.
Don't do that. Pretty good.
Just stand my baby guy. Hi, baby.
Buddy, it's time for the shrimps.
Oh, so guys, all right.
Hey, why you so loud?
So, guys, so what is my buddy putting in? The jumbo scraps. So, the crawfish and the smoked sausage and the potatoes done with.
Let me see.
The carbonate is trying to take the phone.
Stop.
Says you
Shrimps in here. Oh, bitch. Man, that's for me.
So, we putting.
Show him the shrimp. It's crying for help. Should we help him? Going too soon, my buddy. Keon ate Willie and his friend.
Was that right?
Willie and his friend.
Who is Willie?
The crawfish.
Really look crawfish in his friends.
Keon ate Willie.
Now look at you, stop cursing. Stop cursing. You still. But I hit you in your back with this hot coat.
Give me that. Cause I hit you with that drink.
Stale. I don't think I want them anymore. My crackers got stuff. See? Oh, joke though.
So guys, come sit in there. We got the cherry, vanilla, Coke with the Sprite, with the lean.
Why are you talking like that?
Like delirious, bitch. Delirious.
So what y'all doing? All that stuff you putting in that girl? What you doing? You gotta close that door.
Look like you keep going for these smoke sauce.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
I don't know what y'all talking about, but what's supposed to be about soup. I can't really talk. My hair starting to stick up.
It's the forehead for me.
Don't talk to me. Don't do that. Cause you will get beat up.
Buddy family.
Oh, bud. I don't want them up.
Potatoes in the hole.
That was the first thing that got cooked.
Nigga said the potatoes look old. So what?
Yeah, I'm going for the hot crawfish.
Is it spicy?
If you eat more than one, it's gonna be burnt. So what you
All I hear is
No more.
come on.
Damn. She grabbed that like she was at home. So guys, oh, come see.
No.
Look at this.
Am I feeling
Oh. Come see, guys. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it.
We got Mama Dukes. Say hi, Mom.
Say hey to the YouTube channel.
Say hey.
KC thing.
That's Grandma. That's I was about to say KC. That's KJ Grandma. Mommy. Say hi. Oh shit. Look at Papa. Papa Kian. Papa Draco.
Run. Hey.
So yeah, this is the end of today's video. It was a quick little short video.
Man, say for the talk your stuff, man.
Put his face in there since he won't be in there so bad. Flip the camera.
Talk your stuff, man.
You can never beat me up, no.
Yeah.
Whenever.
So guys,
Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Notification bell so you know
we gotta get out the YouTube.
every time we post a video because we drop the back. The rest of 2021 in this period. So, that's the end of today's video. I'm gonna catch y'all in our next video. And yeah, bye. Put your hand over the camera.